Facebook gaming represents the best opportunity to grow in 2020 if you choose the right game to grow your page. I've grown to, 42,000 followers now on the platform. I'm getting over 100 concurrent viewers every time I live stream in just the last week and a half. It's been insane. Here's the research method I'm using to grow. Link in the description below to my page if you want to check it out in action. Go straight to the main page first. Facebook.com/gaming is where you'll want to go. That's the URL. And once you go here, you're going to scroll down to this section where you're going to check out the most watched games at any given point. Come back multiple times a day, write down the numbers, put them in a spreadsheet, make a mental note, whatever you need to do. Then click the See All button over here in the top right-hand corner, and it'll pull up this screen. What you're going to want to do every time you come here on desktop is sort the viewers by high to low, not suggested. And you're going to take note of what the average concurrent viewership is for all of these games. That's what these little eyeball numbers mean. And you're going to want to make note of which games are getting thousands of viewers at any given point. You cannot stream games that do not get thousands of views on Facebook and grow substantially. That's just how it is. And personally, I decided to stream Call of Duty Mobile recently, and it was a huge breakout success for me. When I switched to that game from less popular games like Anthem and what have you, the results were instant. My peak live viewers went over 100. My distribution in Facebook algorithm went up by 680% instantly, and my page started blowing up. I'm getting lots of thousands of Facebook stars per live stream now, and it really truly works. So popular games are the ones you want to cover. Do not cover or tag games that have less than 1,000 average concurrent viewers. Come back, look multiple times, see what the average is. But even big games like Counter-Strike and FIFA 20, as you can see, might be popular overall in the world, but they're not popular on Facebook. So they're probably not going to grow your page here. The algorithm doesn't have that many viewers to serve to you, unfortunately. So here's how you implement your game and test it once you actually decide which one you want to try. What you do is you go to this URL, which is facebook.com/live/create. You click this Create Live Stream button here, and this will pull you into the official live event creation menu called Live Producer. It looks kind of like this. Once you get to the screen on the left-hand side, here's the most critical field in all of Facebook to grow. Enter the game, tag a game that you want to play, and make sure it is one that gets thousands of views at any given moment, thousands of concurrent viewers at any given moment to maximize your chances to grow. Do multiple streams with that game, measure results, then test other games afterwards. Also, the time of day you stream matters quite a bit. If you want to check out my strategies in real time, here I am, Awall Digital on Facebook, link in the description below. Come ask me any questions you have about being a creator, about streaming on Facebook. I'm kind of blowing up right now on the platform, and I'm happy to share all of my best practices with you to help you succeed. Test new games, stream to popular ones, make sure you tag them, and you will grow much faster than you are right now. I guarantee it.